You're welcome to Vsmdesigns. Today we are going to dissect how to cut and sew modern Danshiki outfit. Trust me, it's a simple process. If you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so and turn on notification bell so that when next time I drop any video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are watching on Facebook, kindly hit the follow button, like this video and share it widely. Do not forget to drop your comments on the comments section. Now, the first thing you are going to consider is the shoulder of the outfit. For this one, the shoulder is 18. You are going to divide it by 2 and we have 9. Then the next thing that you are considering is the sleeves, and it has to be 3/4 sleeves most of the times. So the 3/4 sleeves of this one is 16. 16 plus 9 is going to give us 25. So those are the two major things apart from the full length to consider: the shoulder, sleeves, and then the full length. I've folded my fabric into 2 up to 25 and I added extra 2 inches allowance. So it is the shoulder that I'm marking now. Shoulder divided by 2, 18 divided by 2 is 9. So I just mark it out. And I am marking 1.5 inches for the shoulder slope. I marked 1 inch there, but I later changed it to 1.5 inches. Then I am now marking off the sleeves, which is 16, and I added extra 2 inches to it. Then the same measurement I had at the top, I brought it down a bit for us to get the armhole. Now we slope this up to this point. This is 1.5 inches. I sloped it up to that point. Then from there, I am extending it following the slope. I am extending it to the sleeves. Now we are going to determine our armhole. The armhole of Danshiki is always big, so I am going to make it 12 inches. What I marked here right now is 13, but I'm going to make it 12 inches. That 12 inches is enough because the back is going to have an extension, and by the time you bend it, you are going to have extra 1.5 inches added to the 12 inches, making it about 13.5 inches for the opening of the armhole. So I just marked the full length. Now this is where the chest, the normal chest of the person, stopped, but you know Danshiki is always extra large compared to the chest of the person. So from the armhole, you just curve it the way you are seeing. This is 19 inches, which is about 70 something inches, close to 80 inches. Meanwhile, the person's chest is 44 inches. So you can see the difference. So I've cut out the front and I laid it on the fabric again for us to cut the back panel. So I am marking 3 inches to build the back side, just like you do when you are cutting your normal senator outfit. So I am tracing it using the front panel. Now, just like we do on normal senator, I marked 1 inch on the front side and I overlapped the back side on it and trimmed the neck. We are still going to trim the neck to size. For the armhole, we are going to come in by 3 inches, and from the shoulder we slope it and trim it off. However, I went ahead and joined the shoulders after weaving it. Meanwhile, do not join them if it is this particular design that you are sewing. It is not needed. What you are just going to do is to take the front panel to the designer that is going to do this design on it, and after that you will now join the shoulders. This was when I brought it back from the designer after he has done his job, and I've gone ahead and trimmed the neck, piped the neck, and also fixed the placket on it, which I have a video on my channel that teaches all those. Now the next task is to finish the edge of our sleeves, and you can see that the sleeves is not just straight because of the 3 inches slope we gave on it. So we are going to cut pieces of fabric that we are going to use to turn the sleeves. So after cutting it, I went ahead and weaved one part of the pieces, and I am going to join it from the front. From the front, I will join it, and after joining it this way, I am also going to top stitch on it. So I've just done that, both the joining and the top stitching. Remember, you are top stitching on the piece of fabric, not on the bigger material. The top stitching will help you that in such a way that when you are ironing it this way, you will not have any difficulty. It will just have a natural relaxation. Go ahead and interface it with hemming gum. If you've watched this video up to this point and you've not liked this video, kindly do so. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please also subscribe and turn on notification bell so that when next I upload any video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are watching on Facebook, please kindly like this video, share it, drop your comment, and click on the follow button. After fixing the hemming gum, the next thing you are going to do is to run thread on the sleeve that you've just done. And for me, I used my hemming machine and hemmed it for me to have a nice and very neat finishing. After hemming the sleeves, I went ahead and joined the sides, and as you could have seen, the armhole is about 13.5 inches, which is enough. And remember, there are 2 pieces of designs that I will later attach to the outfit. Those things are not pockets. You just fold them, just make a rectangle of the design and attach to it. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next video.